Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to recover or restore previous session tabs in Firefox after the web browser is closed out or perhaps accidentally crashes. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, i-click mo lang tong Open Applications menu. So, i-click lang natin yan. And then next step ay, kailangan lang natin select dito yung settings. And then next step dito sa left side menu. And then select mo lang dito yung general. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo kaagad dito yung startup. Okay? So, ang next step ay, kailangan lang natin i-check tong box na Open Previous Windows and Tabs. Okay? So, for example, open tayo ng another tab and then search tayo and another tab. Okay. And then, close lang natin to browser natin. So, close and then open natin. Alright. So, makita dito yung mga kaibigan na yung previous tabs natin and windows ay na-restore kaagad. Okay. So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to recover or restore previous session tabs in Firefox after crashings or closings. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.